Hello guys, I'm in my room, in my studio, and yeah, today is the challenge. This is why I'm gonna put the mic here. Now stay here. Today's challenge is do not eat big snores on the 3 a.m. In my cave, it's a wood, and Steve. Oh no, what's happening? Hello? Oh my gosh, you saw that? Oh, that's very scary. What was that? Okay, well, whatever it was, it's gone. What's happening? What was the noise? Hello? Hello? Okay. Maybe I'm here still. Oh my gosh, this is scary.